Hello, we are Mirror Match. Our project is an adaptive AI for fighting games. We have achieved this by using the C4.5 algorithm with the UFE fighting game engine for Unity 3D. Our group consists of Brandon Barrios, Kevin Chen, Ben Bancala, and myself, Javier Blanco. The primary focus of our game is to create artificial intelligent agents that mimic a player's specific playstyle. For example, players that play defensively will create a defensive type of AI, and players that play offensively will create an offensive type of AI. The more games that a player plays, the closer the AI becomes like themselves. Let's give a quick overview of how to navigate our game. Here you see the main menu screen, where you are prompted to enter your username. You can then go to the options menu to change some options, for example music, sound effects, and the AI engine. You can also go to skill tree and edit your skill tree. Using different skill tree nodes will allow you to have different skills. Don't forget to save it after you finish making your skill tree. One more important thing to note is that our game records your progress by whatever username you use. So it's really important that you pick one username and keep using it. This way, we can build upon your already existing AI, and with the more games that you play, the closer the AI becomes to your playstyle. Let's play a quick match. You are first prompted whether you want to play player versus player or player versus AI. Then you can choose your character, and then you can choose your arena. For right now, we only have one character and one arena. You use UIOJ to punch, kick, evade, and throw. And these basic attacks are affected by which skill tree nodes you chose to play with in the beginning. I didn't mention this earlier, but you also use WASD to move. You can move left, right, jump, and crouch. What you just saw was a player versus player match. Now let's try player versus CPU. We're currently using the demo AI, which has many games played on it, so it's a somewhat advanced AI. We have turned logistics on in the options menu, so we can see the current move and the bar analytics on the right side. The current move is the best move that the AI is using, so it's the move that the AI is using most frequently at that point. The analytics on the right side show which button presses the AI is doing. As you can see, this AI is pretty advanced and somewhat difficult to beat. With the more games that you play, the harder the AI becomes. Now let's compare two different AI agents. This AI agent likes to mostly crouch and punch. Notice on the right side of the screen that it has no bar graph for the up move. This means that whoever this AI is based off of never jumped in their fights. Now let's look at another AI. This one is similar to the previous one. The main difference is that it actually jumps because the player that it is based off of jumps sometimes. One interesting thing to note is that neither AI ever kicked. And once again, this is because the players never used that move or used it very rarely. We believe that our project has a potential to have a large impact on the esports scene. By implementing profile-based AI in fast-paced games, players can improve their own skills. Coaches can look at the analytics provided and give advice, and more importantly, players can discover their own weaknesses by playing against AI versions of themselves.